for today's video, our topic is about work problems. In solving problems, you should remember the following steps. Step 1. Read and analyze the problem. Step 2. Determine the given and represent the unknown numbers or value with variables. Step 3. Formulate a solution. Step 4. Solve the problem. And for Step 5, check your work. Okay, let's have examples. Jason and Carl are required to paint over the graffiti on the wall. Jason can do work in 4 hours working alone, while Carl can do the job in 3 hours. How long will it take them to do the painting if they work together? Okay, so in this problem, una natin gawin is identify muna natin yung mga given sa problem. Okay, so first is, ang una natin given is Jason. According to the given, si Jason daw ay kayang mag-paint ng wall ng 4 hours. While si Carl naman ay 3 hours. The question is, how long will it take them to do the painting if they work together? So si Jason i-represent natin as 1 over 4 and then si Carl i-represent natin as 1 over 3. So yung how long natin na hinahanap natin i-represent natin as 1 over x. So para makuha natin kung gaano katagal yung pagpe-paint nila if they work together. Okay, so isulat natin yung rational expression natin. 1/4 plus 1/3 equals to 1 over x. Okay, so 1/4 for Jason, 1/3 for Carl. So if they work together, ibig sabihin kapag nagtulungan sila, so ang gagamitin natin sign is plus. Gaano katagal? So equals to 1 over x. So multiply natin sila both side by LCD. Ang LCD natin ay 12x. Okay. So multiply natin both side by 12x. 12x divide 4 is equals to 3x times 1. So 3x plus 12x divide 3 is 4x times 1 is 4x equals to 12x divide x is 12 times 1 is equals to 12. Okay, so ang expression natin ngayon is 3x plus 4x equals to 12. Combine like term tayo. So 3x plus 4x equals to 7x equals to 12. Okay, so para makuha natin yung value ng x, divide natin sila both side by 7. Cancel natin yung 7. So therefore, x equals to 12 over 7 hours. So ganito katagal yung kapag nag-work sila together, 12 over 7 hours. So pwede na natin i-represent yung answer natin into fraction form. Next example, working together. Paul and Daniel can pick 40 bushels of apples in 5 hours. Daniel will take 9 hours to do the job alone. How long it would take Paul to do it alone? Okay, so identify natin yung mga given natin. So given natin, if they work together, it would take 5 hours. If Daniel work alone, ang kanyang makukonsume ay 9 hours. So the question is, how long would Paul do it alone? So, represent natin as x. Okay, if they work together, so represent natin siya as 1 over 5, then Daniel as 1 over 9, and then si Paul as 1 over x. Okay, so kanina ang ginawa natin is kapag nagtulungan daw sila, ang lalabas is 5 hours. So 1 over 5. Okay, so kapag si Daniel lang ay 1 over 9 plus kapag pinagsama pa si Paul is 1 over x. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon is ililipat natin itong 1 over 9 sa kabilang side para makuha natin yung time ni Paul. So bali magiging 1 over 5 minus 1 over 9. Okay, so ang new expression natin is 1 over x equals to 1 over 5 minus 1 over 9. Multiply natin sila both side by 45x. Okay, 45x, divide natin sa x. So, cancel yung x. So, 45x divide x is 45. Multiply by 1 is equals to 45. Then, 45x divide 5 is equals to 9x. Multiply by 1 is equals to 9x. Minus 45 divide 9 is 5. 45x divide 9 is 5x. Multiplied by 1 is 5x. Okay, simplify natin yung ating yung ating equation. So, 45, 9x minus 5x equals to 4x. To get the value of x, divide both sides by 4. So, cancel. X equals to 45 over 4 hours. Okay, since hindi simplest form naman na yung 45 and 4, eto na ngayon na magiging final answer natin. 45 over 4 hours. Another example, a man can do a piece of work in 8 days and his son can do it in 6 days. How long will it take them to finish the job if they work together? Okay, so ang given natin ngayon ay given, a man can do in 8 days and then his son can do it in 6 days. So represent the 8 into 1 over 8 and 6 days into 1 over 6. How long will it take if they work together? So represent natin into x or 1 over x. Rewrite natin yung ating rational expression. 1 over 8 plus 1 over 6 equals to 1 over x. Then, multiply natin by getting the LCD. Okay, so pwede natin, ang pagkuha ng LCD ay by getting the factor. Okay, factor ng 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Factor ng 6 ay 2 times 3. So, common natin is 2 times, bring down 2, bring down 2, then bring down 3. So, LCD natin, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24. So, multiply natin by 24x, 24x both sides. Okay, 24x divided by 8 is 3. So, 3x multiply natin sa 1 equals to 3x plus 24 divided by 6, 24x divided by 6 is 4x, multiplied by 1 is 4x, equals to 24x divided by x, cancel na yung x, so 24. Multiplied by 1 is equals to 24. Combined like terms natin, 3x plus 4x equals to 7x equals to 24. Divide both sides by 7 to get the value of x. So, cancel yung 7. So, x equals to 24 over 7 days. So, eto na ngayon yung final answer natin since 24 over 7 is the simplest form. For the last examples, one host can fill a tub in 10 minutes while the other host can fill it in 18 minutes. How long would it take both hosts to fill the tub? Okay, let's identify the given first. So, given natin, first host can fill the tub in 10 minutes. Represent as 1 over 10. The second host can fill 18 minutes, represent as 1 over 18. And then, how long would it take both hosts to fill the tub? So, we represent it as x or 1 over x. So, write natin 1 over 10 plus 1 over 18 equals to 1 over x. Okay, to get the LCD, factor natin yung ating mga given. So, 10 is a factor of 2 and 5, while 18 is a factor of 2 times 3 times 3. Common is 2. Bring down 5. Bring down 3. Bring down 3. So, ang LCD natin ay 2 times 5 is 10 times 3 is 30. 30 times 3 is 90. So, LCD natin is 90. So, 90x. 90x divide 10 is equals to 9x. Multiply by 1 is equals to 9x. 90x divide 18 is equals to 90x divide 18 is equals to 5x. 5x multiplied by 1 is equals to 5x. Then equals to 90x divide x, cancel na yung x equals to 90. Multiply by 1 equals to 90. Combine like terms tayo, 9x plus 5x equals to 14x equals to 90. Divide both sides by 14. X equals to 90 over 14, or in lowest form, divide natin sila both sides by 2 kasi divisible by 2 naman sila. So, 90 divide 2 is 45 over 14 divide 2 is 7. Okay, so 45 and 7 is the simplest form. Okay, so 45 over 7 minutes. Okay, so ito yung hinahanap nating final answer. 45 over 7 minutes.